What if I told you that with just a piece of walnut and 3 sips of oil, your life could change in 30 days? Reaching the top of your career, earning more money. The key to it all might be in this mysterious word, SIMAKKAR. This ancient piece of information, circulating in the depths of the internet, describes a simple ritual. It's called a career attainment spell. Its origin is unknown, but its promise is huge, to either gain status or earn more money within 30 days. So, how exactly is this powerful ritual performed? Step 1. Take a piece of walnut kernel. For thousands of years, the walnut has been a symbol of wisdom and hidden potential. Crush this walnut kernel thoroughly, focusing on your intention, and turn it into a fine powder. Just like unleashing your own potential. Mix this powder with a small amount of olive oil, a symbol of purity and abundance. Your elixir is ready. And now, we come to the heart of the ritual. You will drink this mixture in 3 sips. But the real secret is, just before each sip, you must say this word aloud and clearly, SIMAKKAR. Before the first sip, SIMAKKAR. Before the second sip, SIMAKKAR. And before the final sip, SIMAKKAR. The ritual is complete. According to the lore, the universe has been set in motion. Within exactly 30 days, you will either have that big break you've been waiting for in your career, or your wallet will fill with unexpected abundance. So, what does SIMAKKAR mean? Is it a power word from some ancient language? Will you try this ritual? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to discover more secrets of the universe.